Well, my name's Ken Kirsch. I live in the booming metropolis of Hastings, Michigan. I was a United States Army military policeman. I was a sentry dog handler and then a patrol dog handler, explosive detector dog handler. I served in Central and South America, Egypt, Korea, Germany, and the States. I've had hunting dogs my whole life. I'm from northern Michigan. And so, of course, living and raising and having hunting dogs is, that's what you do. That was it for me. It was dogs the rest of my life. You start this bond with this dog. It's you and the dog. You're going through all the schools together, the programs together. There's nothing better. I mean, it's you and the dog, and you're a team, and you're bonded forever. What's great about dogs, they're non-judgmental. They don't care what color we are. They don't care what our background is. They don't care where we grew up. They don't care if we're tall, if we're thin, if we're short, if we're fat. They don't care. It's important that we custom match the right dog for the person and the right person for the dog, because it's going to be this relationship that's going to last for hopefully 12 to 15 years. Everybody's a little bit different. How they react to things are a little bit different. How they look when they react to things is different. Their reactions, their emotions, their mental state, where do they go? It's different. And then that's what you have to be able to find, to address, and then find the right dog that can address that.